Here's the square puzzle from earlier. Let's see how many squares there actually are. We'll start with the small ones. There are 25. Now the 2 by 2 squares. These here. There are 16 of them. What are you on so far? Now the 3 by 3 squares. The slightly larger ones. There are 9 of these. Then the 4 by 4 squares. There are just 4 of these. And the whole 5 by 5 grid counts as one more. Now let's add them all together. 25 plus 16 plus 9 plus 4 plus 1. That gives a total of 55 squares. How many did you count in total?